Whew. Winds are blowing hard. Look at them trees. It's lightning. Look at them power lines. If y'all can see them power lines, y'all can see they're blowing. We're into a rough night. It's happening in Middletown, Ohio. I'll click that like and subscribe button if you will. Help my YouTube. I have to add some more to it. Oh, it's calming down. You know what that means, don't you?
Calm before the storm.
Yep, calm before the storm. Now, what really scares me is when it all of them sudden stops.
Yeah.
You better hit the shelter.
Well, at least my haircut feels better.
Look better.
I don't know about looking better.
Oh, no, come on.
All right.
Can you folks hear that thunder? Calling for bad weather. There, it's picking up again. They've been having tornadoes in Illinois and Indiana, some in Missouri, if I'm not mistaken. So, oh Lord. Well, y'all can't tell much on with our wind is wet with rain, but I'm doing my best. I'm not getting out there and getting all wet. I don't feel like getting sick. But you hear that rain? The thunder? Ooh. Okay, thanks y'all for watching. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to go fix me a pot of coffee before the electric goes out. So y'all don't forget to click that like and subscribe button and share this video if you will, and feel free to comment. That helps YouTube push my video out there to see more. I've got 144 subscribers. I appreciate every one of you subscribers. If you're not subscribed, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and push that bell icon to get notified. Y'all take care now. You hear? See ya.